I got some human hair. Yo, alright, I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Hey y'all, it's Z to the I to the A to the S-I-A-A. It's your girl Ziasia, and I'm back once again to slay a day. And if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad that our paths could cross today. And if you love all things beauty, fashion, and fun, then homegirl, you're gonna have to hit that subscribe button, because that's all we do here. You know, I slay, I have a fun time doing it, and I would love for you to join me. Now, so today's video we'll be getting into, look y'all, I got a confession, okay? I know my page is all about the cheap wig life, baddie on a budget, but I have had it with synthetic and synthetic blend hair, y'all. I'm done. Like, I can't do it no more. It takes me about a good month to make it look good, and as soon as I got it looking just how I want it to look, that joint is frizzy beyond repair. I can't straighten it. The curls is cranky. It's time to level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up, ayy, level up. Like Sierra said, you feel me? It's time to do some bigger things, y'all. Just give me my hair on a weft and I'll make it myself. So what I do, I went out and bought this human hair bundle. And lucky for me, this only cost me $55. This is from Zury Hollywood. And this is from their Only Me unprocessed hair collection. This 100% Remy Brazilian human hair, and I got it in the inches 14, 16, and 18. And it came with a free 14-inch closure. And the reason why this was so affordable is because the site I bought it from, Go Beauty NY, is having a 35% off August sale. Along with the bundles, I got this thank you card, which includes the 35% off code, which is shop35 off, and it is valid August 1st to the 31st, 2018. So go ahead and grab yourself something, sis, because everything on the site is 35 off. And it also came with this cute behind air freshener. And if anybody from the Go Beauty team is watching this, first off, I love your store, and I would love for you guys to sponsor my channel. You know, it's just an idea I'm throwing out there. You know, you gotta speak things into existence. I'm gonna be using my sewing machine to make this wig. But before we get to all that, let's just go ahead and take this wig out the package and see what it's hitting for. Come on, y'all. What am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? And they got the nerve to put it on 2 bundles. Like, this is a lot of hair. This is not a bundle. Look how much hair is in this bundle. Together, this is not a bundle. For them to put it on 2 wefts, I think that's so disrespectful. Like, this ain't a little bit, like, this ain't a skimp amount of hair. It's so skimp. But again, y'all, I did pay $55 and it is human hair, so I'm not gonna complain. It's still, but it is soft, I'm not gonna lie. Woo! Oh my gosh, I have made it back to the promised land. I've been in the jungle, I've been wearing curly synthetic itchy ones. I so miss the smell of fresh bundles. I'm so excited. Ooh, I just can't hide it. And I ain't hit that note, but I don't care. I don't care, because I got some human hair. Yo, alright, I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Yeah, that's true to length. Because the 14 is gonna be sewn like right about here. So yeah, that is true to length. Sure is. Show you. Alright, so here is the 16-inch. And again, it's skimp, definitely skimp. But it is in fact human hair. So, I mean, I guess that's a trade-off. Is that true to length? What y'all think? Yeah, that's about 16. I'm about to drop a 16! Here is the 18. Almost touching my booty do. Okay. Okay, y'all see what that booty do? Okay. So these are the bundles, 14, 16, and 18 of their Brazilian straight. Okay, so it's just a standard lace closure. I will most likely have to pluck this part as well as add foundation and concealer. It comes with a nice amount of lace closure, so it'll make it easier for me to sew this on. I love the hair. I thought the quality was to die for. I love it. I don't see any gray hairs. I didn't get any shedding, any tangling, nothing like that. So the quality speaks for itself. Now the only con is that the hair is too thin. I'm sorry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my local beauty supply store and buy one 18-inch bundle of human hair that I'm going to add to this wig. But I mean, if you want to go ahead and just use the 3 bundles, I'm sure you will be fine. But I'm going to go ahead and buy another bundle to add to it because I don't feel like that's going to give me the look I'm hoping for. But I am going to be making that video, so be on the lookout for that. And I have a lot of other fun stuff coming your way. Like I said, y'all, I'm entering into a new era. I'm moving into human hair. I'm excited. So y'all are more than welcome to join me on this journey. If you have a moment, please check out some of my other videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. You already watched it to this point. You might as well just go ahead and hit that button. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.